Welcome to the channel. Today, we are combining theory and practice to explore how Excel is used in business analytics. We'll cover expert insights, real-world use cases, and solve some Excel-based interview questions live. Let's dive in. Now let's move to our first question. Use VLOOKUP to extract current region on the tab Sample Dataset from the tab Current Region Details. Now let's move to our second question. Extract the list of people allocated to the client DEF and with allocation less than 100%. Now let's move to our third question. Extract the list of Director Expert with their home region as NA. Now let's move to our fourth question. Use COUNTIF to calculate the total count of people for each of the home regions IND, India, EU, Europe, NA, North America. Now let's move to our fifth question. Create a pivot table of the given dataset to highlight sum of allocation by career stage. Now let's move to our final question. On the sheet Sample Dataset, put the heading in the cell G2 as Category. Use if formula to represent 0 in column G if allocation greater than 100% and 1 if allocation less than equal to 100%. We explored real Excel tasks that show up in business analytics roles. Hope you find a meaningful practice workbook with these examples. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your questions below. Thank you.